Welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, let's see how we can differentiate this. Okay, now we are given f of x equals to this, and before we can differentiate this, we need to bring this one down. When we are given this, so we have this one, the cube root of x and that square root. So this is square root, so square 2 times this 3, making 6. So we see root of x. Here this side is 5, 5, 3, 15, the 15th root of x. Okay, we are given this. So this side is 2 times 5. So my f of x here will be the 10th root of that, x minus 4 on x plus 2. All right. So we can rewrite this one since a raised to half the same as square root of a. You can go ahead and say x minus 4 on x plus 2 raised to 1 on 10. Okay, so with this we can perform the differentiation. Okay, we can differentiate. So let's go ahead. So f prime of x, so I'll multiply the power by the coefficient here and subtract it by 1, then deal with the quotient, the brackets here. So this one will be quotient. Okay, so we have 1 over 10 x minus 4 x plus 2, so subtract by 1, making like 9 on 10 times. So in case we are given u on v, okay, so v squared, so we have v here, differentiate u minus u, then we differentiate that. Okay, so that is v, so keep v, differentiate u minus vice versa. So this side I will square the denominator, so I will keep this, differentiate the top one, so this side becomes 1 minus, I'll keep the top and differentiate the down one, so that one will be 1. Okay, so I have f of x 1 on 10 x minus 4 x plus 2, so this side becomes explained 9 on 10 times x plus 2 or squared. So let's expand the numerator, x plus 2, so this side will be minus x plus 4. So we have the f prime of x. Okay, so 1 over 10 x minus 4 x plus 2 exponent 9 10 times, so this one will cancel this. All right, so 2 plus 4 6 on x plus 2 or squared. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and make some changes here. So a over b all to the power n is the same as b over a all to the power minus n. So we can interchange the position of this and change this to positive. So we have f prime of x. Okay, so let's reduce this. Two here, 3, 2 here, 5. So we can say 3 over 5 x plus 2 all squared times x plus 2 x minus 4, and this side we change to positive 9 on 10. So we have 3 on 5 x plus 2 all squared times, so we can adjust this, x plus 2 x minus 4, so this side becomes 1 over 10. So everything we have the power 9. So in going back, you get this. So the final answer here will be, so let me write it here, 3 on 5 x plus 2 all squared. So what is here will be the 10th root x plus 2 x minus 4 all to the power 9. Okay, so this is the final answer. Alright, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Alright.